Hey, Morgan. Well, this is the same trial, of course, that told us that dexamethasone is a life-saving treatment for patients with severe COVID-19 who are in the hospital. Now they are out with new results on another anti-inflammatory drug called tocilizumab. Now, this is a rheumatoid arthritis drug on the market called Actemra from Roche. And they found that it, on top of corticosteroids like dexamethasone, also reduced mortality for patients with severe COVID-19 in the hospital. Now, in a trial that included more than 4,000 patients, they found that overall, there were about 29% of people who were on usual care plus tocilizumab who died versus 33% who are on usual care alone. So that's a reduction of 4 percentage points. They said it shortened the time that people spent in the hospital, reduced the need for a ventilator. And they said that for people who had significant inflammation, for those who were on oxygen and got the combination of corticosteroids and this drug, it reduced mortality by a third. And for those who were on ventilators, it reduced mortality by half. So guys, this is the second drug to come out of this trial to show a result like this. And, you know, it's shown mixed results in other trials before. So getting these real clear results from this Oxford University and UK trial will be welcome news to a lot of people. Really figuring out how to use the best drugs in the best way will improve outcomes for COVID patients in the hospital. Morgan, back over to you.
Yeah, Meg, I mean, we spent so much time talking about vaccines and vaccine rollouts, but the treatment piece of this is obviously so key, so integral as well. I guess, how does this speak to that puzzle that we're seeing come together in terms of those treatments and what it means for people who do contract COVID, even as we await more shots and more arms?
Yeah, one thing that we've been, hearing from a lot of folks as we get vaccines out there is drugs are still a really important piece of this puzzle. We still have thousands of people in the hospital, thousands of people dying every day in the United States from COVID. So we still need better ways of treating it. If you can figure out, whether people are being affected by the virus or whether it's that inflammation that's taken over, that's what doctors tell me is so important for knowing how best to really try to save lives and reduce the severe effects from this disease. But of course, we still need drugs earlier in the course of the disease, and we are waiting for results from Merck on its drug for early COVID sometime hopefully soon.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.